Alright, so today we're going to be working with our bigger bag of M&Ms, the share size. So I actually had to open these because I did not know if I would have enough space in my graph. Not going to lie, I don't know if we will or not, but we're going to go with what we have. Alright, so I'm going to predict, this is 89 grams. So it says right here how many grams, 89 grams. I'm going to say that I have 90 because I feel like each candy could be about a gram. So if there are 90 if there's 89 grams, I bet there's going to be about 90 candies. So then it says to take a picture with your candies, or take a picture, count them. I'm done with that. Holy chocolate smell. I have been working with some kids who are very organized. And every time they do it, they put them in groups of twos because they say they can count them better. So I am going to try and copy them today to make my life a scotch easier, because why not, right? Because life can be tough anyway. Why not make it easier? Plus your teacher's giving you math with candy. It's kind of a win-win. And I like the idea of counting by twos because I am good at it. Now I do realize I'm obviously going to have an odd number because I have one that will not fit in a row. I also think that's a lot of blues, but I feel like my yellows are even more. Let's see how I do with those. I haven't had any numbers, like for mode, I haven't had any numbers repeat. I also talked to a student last week, and we were a little bit of ahead, so they were working on this math last week, and they were killing me because they actually had the halves of M&Ms and they were able to put them back together, which I thought was awesome. They were like, oh look, I could just stick them in together, and sure enough they did. I'm not kidding you. Every half matched. So, oh my stars, I have way more yellow than blue, I think. Yeah, because look at all of the ones I still haven't even done yet. Oh, they're going off the page. I'll have to stand my camera up even further. I thought that was going to be enough. Oh, this one's going to be odd too because it has a last one that's not with another one. Green is definitely my next one. Your teacher might not be very bright because she just put this right on top of her colors. So I'm going to have to maybe even like write them down as I go. Green looks like about the same as blue. About. Ooh, oh, look at that. So close. It's going to have two more. It also has an odd one. That's really interesting. None of these are even. I'm going to put this under another book so you guys can see even better. Holy smokes, it's like a tower. You still can't see all the yellow. Holy snakies. I should have done I'm going to put these ones on this side. Oh man, there's way less. Ah, also an odd number. Look at that. So far I have no even numbers. Well, that's interesting. I know I have an even number of red because I can easily count them, and I have 6 reds. So that might be the only one I end up with. And then I am going to take a picture with my camera thingy so that, oopsie, I'm going to scoot this over here. Yikes-o-rama. Oh, these ones that one's an even one, the browns are even, and so are the reds. So I got my smallest ones, which they are way smaller amounts. Okay. So I'm going to just go in order. I'm going to count. I put my least one down as 6, which is red. I'm going to put that there. Brown is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Brown. Orange is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Orange. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21. 21, and I'm going to do a BL for blue. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 27. Holy 27 yellow. And then green. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23. 23 green. Alright. M&M's are all the same flavor, clearly. Got way more yellows than I thought. But that's kind of cool. Those are my green and gold. And I'm wearing a bunch of green and gold today. Awesome! I'm going to eat those ones. I don't really like chocolate, I'm not going to lie. I probably won't eat them, but I'm going to put them over to a side because I'm super stoked that I have green and gold for red sides. I think some people might like the ducks, or you could do the orange and brown for the beavers. Either way. All right, so I'm going to keep my green and gold out here just to remind me of school colors. And then I'm going to fill this out. Green, yellow, blue, orange, brown, sorry, I almost said black, brown, and red. Red is my favorite color of most everything, like maybe not flavors, but color in general. All right, here we go. Now, I need to know how many I have. So, a couple choices you have here. You could add them up. 7 plus 3 is 10. 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have a total of 20. So 20. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 20 is 80. 90, 100. No way! Do I really have exactly 100? I'm going to question mark that. And now, because you never know, I am rolling my chair over to get my calculator. Got my rolly chair out. And I am going to calculate this to double check my math, because I never believe it when it ends up to be exactly 100, because that would be so cool, and I'll show you why. 23 plus 27 plus 21 plus 13 plus 10 plus 6. No way! Oh my gosh, I got exactly 100. Okay, so this is why this is cool. If I have 23 out of 100, that actually means this is 23 hundredths. I don't even have to use a calculator. And that means at a percentage, this is 23%. If I have 27, I have 27 hundredths, which is the same as 27 hundredths. And I'll show you, prove to you, that this is like, I've never had this happen before. Holy smokes, exactly 100. I've had like 99 or close. So I would take 27 divided by 100 equals 27 hundredths. Sweet. And then when you're multiplying to get to 100%, you would just move the decimal place over again and get 27%. Here we have 21 over 100, which makes it 21 hundredths times 100 for percentage, which would be 21%. Oh man, it's like the lottery for all of this stuff. That's amazing. 13 over 100. That only works because this is 100. If you have the number 98 or 105, this does not work. This only works because we're talking about exactly the hundredths place. Your teacher won the lottery. Actually, I have to tell you kind of a funny story. Miss Lisa, hopefully she doesn't mind me telling this. Oh no, I had her help with the math, and she was pouring them out, and she ate one. So technically, I would have had 101. But I told her, don't worry about it. It's like no big deal. She's like, oh my goodness, I ate one. And I was like, it's okay. It's okay, but guess what? It was awesome because I actually have 100 now. I'll have to tell her what happened. No way. No way. 10%. 6 out of 100, which is 6 100ths. So if I put the 6 there, it actually would have been 6/10. So you have to make sure you put it in the hundredths place. And then we're going to multiply it by 100 to get 6%. Yay! If you're doing the bottom part of this page, it says that this bag cost $1.09. And you had $1, 109 cents, and you had 100 candies. That means each candy would be worth 1 cent. Or 1 penny. Oops, sorry. Like this. Yay. All right.